What's up guys, it is Mac and it has been a while and I do apologize. I've just been very busy with school, but I am back and I just very quickly wanted to do another unboxing from Alter Ego Running. Now I have done unboxings in the past from this company, and if you don't know, Alter Ego Running is a hat company that specializes in making these really cool hats that are geared towards runners. And I'm actually part of their ambassador program, and this is my second year being in the program. So they sent me another package here, so I figured I might as well unbox it. As I said, I have done unboxings in the past, and I have taken a look at some of the hats, so I have some of them over here, but we'll take a look at those later once we get this box open. So let's get right into the unboxing. So here is the logo, Alter Ego Running, and then they have some really cool tape here, so you can see that there, the Alter Ego Running tape there. Very nice. All right, and let's just get right into it here. So get a knife and cut into it. Just have to keep my voice down a little bit because my girlfriend is asleep, so I don't want to wake her up. But there we go. Oh, don't want to show my address, so let's turn to this side here. And then just one last side. Oh. Alright, let's see if I can just, there we go. There, and alright, perfect. Got it open here. This a little bit so we can see what we have. All right, here we go. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. Very nice packaging as always from Alter Ego Running. Got some nice looking paper here, and have a look at the hats. Oh, we got some other stuff in here too. Very nice. Cool. All right, let's move the box out of the way. Oh, ooh, this is nice. I like this. It's a different hat. I don't have this color yet. So this is orange, yellow? I think it's orange. It's a very cool color. I actually really like this a lot. So here we go. This is another coaster hat. So this is actually my second coaster style hat. And wow, I actually really like this a lot. This is definitely a kind of yellow orange color, but it's very cool. So yeah, they have different styles of hats, which I have talked about in previous videos. This seems to be their most, I guess, popular hat, the coaster style hat. So you can see it there. And a cool thing about these hats that I really like is that it has a little pocket right in here. So if you ever want to store anything while you run, like your keys or anything, you can always just slip it right in your hat, and it'll be good to go. And here's the tag, so if you're wondering, the retail price is $49. Since I am a ambassador, they did send this to me for free, so as a disclaimer, I just paid for shipping. The hat itself was sent to me, but this is just retail price, 49 bucks. Not bad for a hat of this quality, and again, I really like this. I really like this nice rope detail that I got going across here. The logo looks very cool as well, and yeah, it's another great quality hat by Alter Ego Running. So we'll bring some other hats in a second to kind of compare. Let's see what else we got here. There we go. It's just a welcome. It's official. You're an Alter Ego Running ambassador. Oh yeah. So very cool. There we go. That seems to be the new logo for this year for the ambassador program. And looks like we got a pair of sunglasses. Ooh, what is like aviator style sunglasses? Let's see. Yeah, let's take a look at these. These look very nice. Let's see if I can open this. Come on. There we go. Oh, it looks like they're the same color as the hat. Oh, that's very cool. It's like black and it's kind of fading into yellow. All right, let's see if I can open this. Damn, that is a really tight hinge. Oh my gosh. I don't want to break this. Oof. That's just very tight. Okay. Oh. Check these out. These are pretty cool. I never owned sunglasses like this before. Nice. There you go if you want to see. That's how it looks like while you're wearing them. Very cool. I actually really like these a lot. Nice. It's got Alter Ego Running there. See if I can get that to focus a little bit. There we go. Alter Ego Running. Sweet. These are definitely high quality glasses. Nice. Can't wait to try these bad boys out. And it looks like we also got a sticker. So I'll take a look at that real fast. A nice Alter Ego Running sticker. So there you go. Another package from Alter Ego Running. Been really impressed so far with this company, and I really am a fan of wearing hats, and these have just been great. So let me bring in some of the other hats that I have by them here. So let's bring in the last year's Ambassador Welcoming hat. So this was last year's hat, and as you can see, this one's also, oh no, I'm sorry, this one was not. This one is last year's hat. There we go. So this is the coaster hat that they sent for last year's Ambassador program, and this is this year's Ambassador welcome hat. So same hat, different logos, and just I really like the rope detail that they put on this one. It's just very cool. It just makes it unique and kind of stand out from last year's hat. So there you go, two different hats. And then I also have a different style of hat. This is a traveler hat. So these two are the same style coasters, and the main difference is just, as you can see, this one is unstructured. These ones are structured. So you can see that there. And then I think the brims might be a little different. I don't know. I think maybe this brim's a little bit longer. I can't really tell the difference. Maybe you guys can. But still, overall, very good quality hats. I love being an ambassador for Alter Ego Running. And yeah, if you just need a high quality hat, even if you're not a runner, they make some just more casual hats. Definitely check out Alter Ego Running. They got some cool designs. They also got some cool like sunglasses as well. And just some other really cool products. So yeah, I just want to thank Alter Ego Running for sending me another package to check out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video here. So just want to kind of say a few things real fast, just kind of not related to Alter Ego Running. So if you don't really care about my channel, then you can kind of click off the video. But first of all, I just want to say thank you guys, because I made it to 400 subscribers, which is amazing. Actually, I think we're at 401 subscribers. I know I haven't made a video in 2 months. Just as I said, I've just been extremely busy with school. I'm so close to being done. Literally, I have less than a year left, so almost done. It's just been a crazy, hectic semester so far. So haven't been able to kind of stick with my schedule like I would have liked to, but still made it to 400. So I want to thank you guys so much. Another milestone reached, and that's awesome to see the channel growing. And I've noticed I've posted a few shorts. If you've seen them, they've been doing really well. So maybe I should start posting more shorts to my channel for when I'm busy, like what I am right now. And then I also want to say, I know people are excited about my live streams, but I'm just gonna have to put those on hold just because I really don't have time to do live streams. So unfortunately, the Sinanju is gonna be put on hold. Honestly, I might just build it off camera, or I could just continue to, I don't know yet. I'm still trying to figure some things out. But live streams will probably put on hold. I'll still have to push out reviews when I can. Just have to get through some of my backlog, build some kits, and get some reviews out. But stay tuned. More content will be coming. So don't think I'm like, disappearing from YouTube or anything. Just give me some time, just because, as I said, I've been busy. And yeah, so as I said, more content is coming. I do have a few Let's Builds I want to do, just not live stream, so just my usual style Let's Builds. And we'll just go from there. So stay tuned, more content coming hopefully soon-ish. Maybe during the Thanksgiving break if I have time, or during Christmas. Again, we'll have to see. But I just want to thank you guys so much for sticking around. I can't believe we made it to 400 subscribers, and let's just keep going from there. So with all that out of the way, don't forget to build, play, and display. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.